Good morning, children. Today is Tuesday. Again we are back with our MCB class, and today we are doing Miracle Couriers once more. Last day I had explained you all the first page and the second page here till carbon footprints, and now today I am going to explain you all the next part. Okay. Everything from pickup to delivery is carefully planned in sign language. The field agents receive instructions via cell phone messages of a client's address and a time for when documents need to be picked up. Upon arriving at the client's office, the shipments are counted and a count confirmation message is sent back to the branch supervisor. So everything from picking up to delivery is carefully done in only sign languages. Which are the sign languages I showed you all yesterday? These all. Okay. These all are the sign languages which are used by the workers, and then they just confirm that they have received their things. The field agents, they receive instructions via cell phones how to send the things to everybody, and a time for when documents are needed to be picked up. And upon arriving the client's office, the shipments are counted and then the message is sent back to the branch supervisor that they have received their message. Once the packages arrive at the branch, they are sorted, processed and prepared for delivery. The back office staff, they sort the shipments based on pin codes. Pin codes according to the lanes in Mumbai. Further sorting is carried out by each field agent who is responsible for a designated area of delivery. There are each areas which are delivered by separate people. These super savvy agents have mastered the narrow lanes and unmarked building of the area. These agents, they have told the areas in Mumbai so many times that they have got they are a master in it, in the narrow lanes of Mumbai and the unmarked buildings of the area also. Once sorted, each document is given a tracking code and entered into the system. This allows the company to track and maintain transparency as to who is responsible for which shipment. Now they just place that which person is responsible for which shipment. A digital delivery status report is then returned to the clients. Now the clients get a digital delivery record that you are going to get your things this day, the day after the delivery. The primary language used at Miracle Couriers is the Indian Sign Language, which I showed you all. This is the Indian Sign Language, this one. Okay. Now the entire organization and management of courier operations and numerous teams is conducted in sign language. The Miracle Force is, needless to say, fluent in the language. They are very fluent. Though we do not know, they are very fluent in the language. Communication between Miracle field agents and branch staff during the day is done via text messaging. They all contact through text messages. Text messaging has become a wonderful technological advancement for the deaf. So it has helped them a lot, allowing them to communicate complex and varied messages over long distances. This also allows the management team members or the branch to broadcast information to all agents, whether they are at home or on the field. Even if they are at home, they get messages that their work is being done in this manner. The back office supervisors are trained in the professional etiquette and productive techniques associated with emails, messaging, which is done in English. They are messaging in English only. They are not using other languages. So they are so technically advanced. As the CEO of the company, Dhruv, he spends his time meeting new clients, looking after the finances and leading the company forward. Their services, currently available only in Mumbai, are soon to be extended to cities across India. The organization has won several awards, including the 2009 Helen Keller Award and the 2010 National Award for Empowerment of People with Disabilities. These are the two main awards which they have won. In December 2010, Miracle Couriers was awarded the National Award for the Empowerment of People with Disabilities by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. This is the most important award which they have received. So this much for today regarding this chapter. I am sending you all question number 4 and 5. We will be doing only question answers from this chapter, and then later on, if we get time, we will do the reference to context also. Till now, only question answers. Okay, children? Thank you.